Hi ladies and gentlemen, have a good day. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. This is our Shumatt live streaming. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and today I'm very glad to be here and introduce you one of our solenoid valve. Then please let's take a look. And first you will see the outside packages is this kind of PE bag, right? And on the first line, you will see this is our Shumatt brand logo. On the back of this bag, there listed some warnings about this product. By the way, for this kind of brand logo, the packages or the label, etc., we support customized service for our customers. So any of the customers have this kind of demands, we can help you to do that. Okay, and for this one, it's China-made brand new, the injector solenoid valve without aperture. And it's for 120 series. Then let's check the qualities, okay? Please. Yes. For our product, it's really on the high qualities. If your eye come closer, you can check it. Because we Shumatt, we really focus on our product quality, and we want to supply the good after-sales service for our customers. So each product, before we send delivery to our customers, our factory workers and our professional staffs will check the qualities and test the product. After that, we will make sure the quality is good. We will send to our customers. And also, we want to supply good after-sales service for our customers, like we supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. Let's see the details. You can see each spare parts, we use this kind of protection cover to protect here, right? And then you can take off, you can put it on the solenoid valve. Or if you want to know other questions about this product, you can send us by the comments below this video. So much for that, yes. And actually, we not only selling this kind of solenoid valve, we also have the injector, the valve assembly, the repackage, the pumps, etc. Any of the product, if you're interested in, please feel free to contact us. At last, remember follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Have a good day.